We hate to see you go, but we can't wait to see who you are. Yo, this has been an incredible journey for the Snowstorm.
Yes. Yes.
But before we get to see which celebrity this is, I need the panel's final guesses. Who wants to go first?
You know, I think I might be right on this one because we saw Chestnuts roasting. We think this might be a roast comedian. I think that now the clue that sealed it is the Bob Saget clue. I think that this might be comedian, actress, and roast professional Whitney Cummings.
Good guess.
I too think that this is a comedian who roasts celebrities like how your mama's roasting that turkey tonight for Thanksgiving, Nick.
What'd you say about my mama?
How she's roasting the turkey.
Oh, okay.
All right, we saw the comic book clue because she's a comic. We saw the speed dating because she's hosted dating shows. All the clues point to Eliza Schlesinger.
All right. Who's next?
I think the most important Snowstorm clue this season is that we've worked together. That's very important. And
why is that important?
Because it mattered. It mentioned me. Now, my first film was knocked up with this person. There was a live clue for her incredible work on SNL. I think Snowstorm is Kristen Wiig.
I love that guess, Ben.
That's the nicest the crowd has been all season.
Yeah, the nicest the crowd has been.
Listen, settle down, turkeys. Let me tell you, while I'm really good at this game, I'm so good that I actually made myself a crown. Because,
oh my goodness,
I got this.
What did you say again? Okay, good.
She is a roast comic. She's done Alec Baldwin comedy roast. She's also very, very close with Bob Saget. This is the one, the only, very talented Nikki Glazer.
Wow.
Wow,
Really?
Jenny, you did your thing on that, Jenny.
All great guesses up there. Let's see if any of you are correct. Audience, say it with me. Take it off. Take it off.
Take it off.
Take it off.
Take it off.
I want it to be Eliza Schlesinger.
Take it off.
Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? Who is it?
Take it
Oh my gosh, please let me be right.
You know what?
Take it.
I gotta say this. Hold on. Let's finish this right after the break.
What? Man, you ain't right.
You're the turkey, Nick.
We'll do it after the break. Welcome back to the show. It's time to find out who the Snowstorm really is. Say it with me. Take it off. Take it off.
Take it off.
Take it off.
Stand-up comedian and roast master, Nikki Glazer! Our clue expert,
Jenny knew.
our queen.
Wow. Nicely done, Jenny.
Wow. First of all, let's talk about the amazing voice on
Great
Nikki
job,
Glazer.
Nikki.
Thank you.
Woo! Yeah!
You're hilarious. You're amazing on all the shows that you host and have. But singing, that was really one of your dreams.
It was. It was the first dream I ever had in wanting to be a performer, and it was squashed at such a young age, and it just became something that was not attainable to me. So when this opportunity came up, it was so perfect because I think what held me back was the fact that I knew I was a comedian. Everyone's just like, don't sing. No one wants to hear that. It's like Michael Jordan playing baseball. Like, no one needs that from you. Like, go do what you're good at. And so this show really allowed me to, like, forget all of the, insecurities I had around singing and really explore my voice. And it's something I'm so excited to keep doing after this.
Yeah.
Can I tell you something, Nikki? You are so incredibly talented. You're funny, we all know that, but your voice is so beautiful, and I hope you know now that you got it.
Thank you, Jenny.
Yeah.
Yes, you can do it all. You are the consummate entertainer, and you know how much I love you. You know how much of a big fan I am of you.
Too. Thank
you're
you
just
so
incredible.
much. You guys are so sweet.
Yeah, I mean that with all my heart.
I'm really excited, Nikki, for you to make an album where you can show your beautiful voice and make it fun and humorous as well.
Thank you so much, Nicole. Thank you. Robin, what do you think?
Yeah, Robin, what do you think?
Waiting for you.
I honestly thought you had the greatest challenge because of the thing behind you. You know, you had to carry like...
Nick?
Me or the snowflake?
No, this was a lot. Yeah.
Yes.
heavy.
Yeah.
Well, I thought you were amazing, and congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Robin.
Well, it has been a true pleasure and a joy having you on our show. So much fun, making us laugh, keeping us on our
This
toes.
is so much.
Let's give it up one more time for Nikki Glazer.
Yes!
Next week is our season finale. The Harp and the Lambs have their eye on the prize, and they'll do anything to take that Golden Mask trophy home. But right now, let's give it up for the artist formerly known as the Snowstorm, the one and only Nikki Glazer.